In this video, we are looking at a headphone from Sivga. It's a Chinese brand. They operate from China, but they do make some of the most interesting headphones. The last time I had the SB023, which was a very good headphone, which I believe is a very good headphone. And when I compared it with SD650, I find it to be very capable. That was a hard to drive headphone though. At 300 ohms, it was fairly hard to drive. But here we have the Luan, very similar kind of packaging. You guys can see very similar kind of packaging. Huge box, big box. I don't know why, but Sivga likes big boxes, big carry cases, and that's okay. It's not bad because these headphones are not folding or anything like that, but it's much better if they can make a folding kind of headphone, but doesn't matter. We are here to look at the headphone, and this is one of the best thing that I have seen on an headphone. Very good looking case, the hard case that came with the SV0232. Very good looking case, one of the most beautiful looking cases when it comes to headphones, and all the stuff that it comes with are placed inside this. Nice. This wooden finish, they say it is wood, but I somehow find it slightly less woodly. I don't know what to say there. Open back, you guys can see the pads, very good looking. No squeaky sound or anything like that. Very good build quality, good padding, nice padding. And these headphones, these pads are very soft, breathable. You guys can see perforated, breathable. RL, nice. Good amount of swivel too. 3.5 mm headphone jacks. Let's see what else. So we have a 1/4 inch adapter, 3.5 to 6.5 mm, and 3.5 mm mono to 3.5 mm stereo cable. So this is I believe 1.5 meter or something like that, and that's perfectly fine. I do not want them to be longer than that. Yeah, 1.5 meter. So much easier to replace the cables. 3.5 mm RL. This is a fairly big, you guys can see, this is a fairly big, nearly 4.5 inches, fairly big cups, and should be very comfortable on the ear. These are very soft, you guys can see, very soft. So I'll be comparing it with the SV023 and another headphone from Blonde. Let's see how this SV, not SV, they have ditched the SV lineup. This is Luan, how the Luan compares with similar kind of headphones in this price range. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.